Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldman Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E300 4MATIC. This one's polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights. Also included is the sports package with a sports exterior and interior look. 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Macchiato beige MB-Tex interior with a burl walnut trim, glass black center console, sunroof, rear roof spoiler, rear trunk spoiler, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, ambient light. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 35,440 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.